And welcome to the Wayne County Probate Court. This video will guide you in filling out the report to accompany petition to appoint, modify, or discharge of individual with developmental disability, Form PC 659. Before we get started, this video is not legal advice and is for informational purposes only. So let's pull up the form from the court's website at www.wcpc.us. When you're there, the upper middle, you'll see probate information. Click on that link. On the left, you'll see how to start a Wayne County Probate Court case. Click that link and it brings you to the various case types. You can start with the court. This form is related to a guardianship with an individual who has a developmental disability. So we'll click on that link, which brings up a lot of great information about how to start the case, as well as what you need to file, the hearing date, and letters of guardianship. But we are interested in Form PC 659, which is the report to accompany the petition. So we're going to click on that link, which brings up the form that you can begin to fill out right on your computer. I have an annotated one to help guide you through it. In the upper left here, you'll put in the Wayne for the county, the file number if you have it. If you don't, and it's part of your initial petition, you can leave this blank. You're going to put in the matter of, this is the name of the person who is alleged to have a developmental disability. Then you're going to go to number 1 and fill out the name of the doctor or person submitting this report. And they will be the one to fill out all of the information on the form. Moving to number 3, it says the appended evaluations are current, take into account the individual's abilities, and were performed and signed by the following individuals. If these reports do not accompany or are not attached to this form, you can leave it blank. Otherwise, to the extent there is a report that evaluates the various items listed, you're going to put the name of the person, their title, and the date they performed the report. Moving on to number 4, appended to this report is a listing of all psychotropic medications plus all other medications that the individual is receiving on a continuous basis, the dosage of the medication, and a description of the impact upon his or her mental, physical, and educational condition, adaptive behavior, and social skills. You'll want to make sure that you have attached the report listed in number 4 related to the medications. Number 5, guardianship. You'll check the appropriate box and explain which box and provide an explanation relating to the box you checked. Moving on to page 2, number 6. But before we get started, I do want to highlight here at the bottom of every form is a statutory reference, which you can simply highlight, right-click, search the web, and immediately on the very top, it brings you to the statutory language, which you should read in order to understand the law governing the form. All right, page 2, number 6. The type and scope of guardianship services needed are as follows. Type in here the type and scope of guardianship services. Number 7, the recommendations and reasons for the most appropriate rehabilitation plan are as follows. You will type your response in here. Number 8, the recommendations and reasons for the most appropriate living arrangements are as follows. You will type in your response here. If you need more information, you can attach a separate page with a more robust response. Then you'll check this box if applicable. The guardianship should be authorized to make application to place the individual in, and you'll name the type of facility. Then you will date and sign here the name of the center or agency you are with, the address, city, state, and zip, and telephone number. So that is how you fill out the form. We put this together at the Wayne County Probate Court because we care. Have a great day.